So I have an emergency video for you guys. Merch by Amazon trending niche alert. It's early in the morning. If you could see right here, it's about 5:45 in the morning, and I'm just going through my morning routine like I usually do. And one of the things that I do right after I fulfill my Etsy orders is I just like to go to Flying Research to see if anything is trending. And I like to go to this seller trends right here and just see if I can see any duplicates. So these three are new. These ones are actually from yesterday, but I see this one right here, and then I see another one right here, and basically I'm looking for duplicates. So here's a duplicate Gen X. I keep seeing this Gen X raised on hose water. Okay, so what the heck is that? I see another one right here, and this one has 180 BSR, and it's only 1 day old. This one right here, 871 BSR, 865, and these were just uploaded 1 day ago. 435 1 day ago, and then this one right here, 665 1 day ago. So when I see like new duplicates like this, that sparks my interest. And what I want to do now is I just want to go to Merch Informer and just see what the competition is. So right here, Gen X raised on hose water and neglect. I hit search. We're going to see that there's only I believe 466 results. Sorry, my internet's a little messed up. Okay, so 466, and if we go to the third page, we're going to see that there's still only 466 results right here. And if we take a look at the BSRs, first row, all is selling. Second row, all is selling. Third row, almost all are selling. So this looks like a good niche. It's low in competition. It is selling. It's basically for people that were born in Generation X. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to see if this is safe. Now, to be honest, it doesn't look like it's anything bad because it doesn't have anything to do with like sports teams, Taylor Swift songs, Netflix series, movies. It's not using anyone's name. It just seems like it's a popular phrase, but it's always a good idea just to go to Google and just search it just to see if it is type of any, because actually I didn't do that. But when we just see like Amazon links or like t-shirt links, that is a good sign. But you also just want to go to test to see if it is trademarked. Gen X raised on hose water and neglect. In the 25 category, I'm not seeing anything, so this looks like it's safe, but remember, always do your research. Competition on Etsy is low, only 805. Now you can probably get some designs here. If you don't know how to design or you don't want to design, you can maybe use these. You have to check in the description to see if they're allowed on merch or on print-on-demand sites. Now if it doesn't say, you can just message them and ask. I do that every now and then. Let's go ahead and take a look at the competition on Redbubble. So Redbubble, only 10 results. Okay, so this is probably going to be really good for Redbubble, like a sticker or a t-shirt, maybe even a mug. And then if we go to TeePublic, we get some ideas of the competition and what some of the designs are. So it looks like a little more competition on TeePublic. If I go to Creative Fabric, I wasn't able to see any designs for this, so you will have to make your own design. And what I did is I just went ahead and made one real quick. So this is a design that I made, raised on hose water and neglect, Generation X. I could probably put like maybe like a GN right here. Maybe do something like that, just make it a little bit smaller. But one thing that I want to talk about is that's really important that you have these like PSD templates on tap, so that when something starts to trend, you can be quick. You don't want to have to be spending a lot of time designing. So basically I have this this sunset template available, so that when I see like a trending niche pop off, I can just go ahead and design for it really quickly, and I don't have to make like this sunset. So this is what I made right here, kind of similar to this one. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. But what I can do now is I can just go ahead and upload it. It's going to save me a lot of time. But I just wanted to get this video out. It's an emergency video, trending niche alert, raised on hose water and neglect. It looks like it is starting to trend on Flying Research. Looks like the competition is low on Amazon, and it looks like it is safe. So I have a video coming out actually in about 10 minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and make the thumbnail for this right now and get it out for you guys. So hopefully you can get some sales. All right. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.